every day at a time, every day with its own work according to the schedule. It's around 10 days after transplanting our collard, our Sukuma wiki, kales. I don't know the name that you use to call them. You can share the name, your local name, how you call the Sukuma wiki or the kales or the collard in your local language, so that I can also learn. So it's more than 10 days. In fact, it's almost hitting 2 weeks after transplanting, and everything that we transplanted here, everything that I did here, um, has already is doing well, 100% from what we transplanted. We haven't lost any seedling. So today I'm doing the fertilizers. I'm applying the fertilizer, and I wanted to show you how I do it. It's very simple. You can do, there are different methods of applying the fertilizer. I'm going to show you all of them. You choose which one you do. If you choose my way, the best. So I load my bag. Remember my planting bag, it's also fertilizer applying bag. So I load it with fertilizer. I'm using our if you can be able to see from where you are, you can see I have a fertilizers with multiple colors, with around 3 to 4 granules. This is an NPK. I'm using an NPK. That is what I'm applying, and the NPK has calcium. It's a standard NPK. So at this stage, you can apply a phosphorus list fertilizer. You can do fertilizers like DAP. That is good for you. You can do fertilizers like 23 NPK, 23. It's also okay. Or you can do any braided fertilizers with an NPK, with a standard NPK. So let me start from this point here. So also weeding is needed to be done, but let's first apply the fertilizer, then I'm going to do the weeding later. Some farmers will apply their fertilizer this way. That is how they apply fertilizers. See? Some farmers will apply their fertilizer that way. Then later, those who are using sprinklers like me, they can leave it the way it is. They can leave it that way and apply the water. After leaving it that, apply over the irrigation. One thing about the fertilizer that I'm using, it's very soluble. But now other farmers, after applying that fertilizer that way, they come covering it. They cover it that way. You see the difference? They cover it that way. They cover it that way. They make sure the fertilizer is well covered. Then apply water. Those are using drip irrigation, furrow irrigation, or overhead irrigation. One thing you need to check is when applying fertilizer, make sure your fertilizer is not in contact with the leaves, because it may end up bringing the scorching effect to the leaf. So this is how I apply mine. I don't apply. I may apply that way. I may apply in another means. So that's how I'm applying my fertilizers. Applying and covering. You see, approximately applying around 10 grams per plant. I know you are going to ask how I know it's 10 grams. We are farmers and we know everything, so whatever I'm applying is 10 grams. It's approximately 10 grams. So that's my mode of application. That's how I apply my fertilizer. So it's as simple as that. It's as easy as that. What you need to do is make sure you cover your fertilizer. Don't leave your fertilizer bare, because it's volatile. We see it's volatile. You can lose a lot of nutrient in the atmosphere, and you want to make good use of the fertilizer. So make sure always you cover your fertilizer. Hope you're learning. Hope you got something from our today fertilizer application. If it's your first time, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that we can continue learning together. Bye.